Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishi Nagde, and today I will presenting my internship project as PPT. After this PPT, we will demonstrate. We will view the demo of the project. Firstly, what we are presenting. So first, we check the internship overview and goals. Then we check the project requirement, then architecture, system design, then the stack we use, then implementation detail, then challenges and the solution of that. Then we move on to the live demo. And that's it for this session. So let's go start this. First, the internship overview. This is focused on hands-on problem. We are using MERN Stack and the proficient efficiency to use this stack we are building on. What is the goal? So my goal is to learn full stack development and build a production skill. It can be uh, fulfill to master the stack and develop professional practices. So the project I made, which is Order It, a food delivery web application, which is made in MERN Stack, which contained MongoDB as M, Express as E, React as R, and Node as N. All this made and make MERN Stack. So in this web application, the users would be customer, the restaurant, or admin. It can be a customer, restaurant person, or admin. So the workflow of this project is to browse the food and then add it to cart, then order, then track it to the is it place on destination or not, and then pay. A simple web food order food delivery app. So basically we are focusing on functional requirement, non-functional requirement. We are took it after when we um, deploying the project. It's the last checking time where are so many things like user registration, login, authentication, browser, restaurant, menu, food item, search, filter the dishes, add, checkout, pay, real-time order status, admin, restaurant panel, and etc. So what we are using in this and what is the architecture and design. So for the design UI we are using React and as backend logic we written in Node.js and the database we using MongoDB. For these three things we have a mediator which communicate in all three things: the client side React, the server side Node.js, and database side MongoDB, which is REST APIs, which is made in Express. So this is the architecture and design. Basically, we are using one stack. So ones refer to MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. The front-end architecture is like that. um, Public file, src file, .env, environment variable contain, and these all package JSON and what. Also Node.js, node module, sorry, which is we can download by npmi directly when you run in terminal. So it also get the node modules. Then the backend architecture is like this. Also, there is also the node modules, but in there is not presenting because you want to download it by running the npm install command. In backend architecture, we use Node.js and Express.js. So, what is the database walk in here? We check the front end architecture, back end architecture, but where is database? So, there is the use of database. It collect the users information, restaurant information, menu item, order, and what is status, all the things contained in database. We can check the real-time database. What is the our project database is after this PPT. The key feature of it is authentication. We use JWT based login and sign up with hashed password. So if the admin can't see the password, he can access the ID or username only. And the basic feature are browse, search, add the food to cart, then checkout, raise the order and pay. Then we notify to the restaurant and also give them review and rating. So in implementation, first we implement the authentication and user sign up process in which we use the JWT token for the sign up, and for password we use bcrypt. Bcrypt hash the password which enter by the user and store on database as hashed form. And then we have JWT, how it work and implement it. So what is the menu? uh, so here we have a restaurant panel or admin panel, you can say anything. So in this we can edit or remove the menu item with pricing and images. We can toggle the information, and that's it. And for role we use the Stripe API, so the payment is secure. What challenges we face? So managing complex shared, it might be a challenge. The main challenge is to secure the root and protect the sensitive user data and handling real-time fee ordering status update. So for this we use JWT authentication for privacy and polling and refetching order status endpoint, which freely handle the real-time order feed. So let's check the live demo of our project, which is this order it. Not deployed that time. I am using on localhost. So this is the, for example, we use this 6 restaurants. Two are non-veg and other are pure veg. For pure veg, we can select it. So there are only pure veg. We can check out from this and add to cart or what you want. For now, we are not logged in. Firstly, we check what happen when we don't log in directly and add to cart some food. It redirect to the login page which says to log in first, then we can use. So for login, I have an ID which is test1 gmail.com. For new user, we can check this option where you can fill the all detail and register. I am logging in direct. Let's log in successfully. So I'm just logging in. This is why my password is so weak and why this is showing. So this is my profile. Full name is test1. Address is and joining tomorrow. Yesterday I joined. So let me order something. We are ordering a Raj Kachori in Chole Bhature, Raj Kachori in Massimo amount, or and Chole Kulche also. So after that we go to cart, then we check out. But first we see, first we check that our cart is full with Haldiram's restaurant. So when we click on other restaurant and add their item, so the cart will replace from that order to this order. So we we do massive order here also, giving them so much profit. So go to cart. Oh, total is 12,000, 1,200. So let's check out. For checkout, we are using Stripe API, so that redirect to this. I don't want to confirmation. Okay, so we can fill this with anything. I'm using random. Done. For testing purpose, we use the card detail is 4242 and the is 567. So that's it, and we pay about 1255. 55 is the shipping charges. Shipping time is whatever. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah. So payment is done, and we can check the order is processing that the Haldiram uh, 1255 is in processing. First, I also want order of that amount and which is delivered. This thing I was just changed from the database. We can see there what's going on. So here we can see the users. This she is an admin account, and we are using the test one account, which is an user, not an admin. So there is a different. Let's check the admin panel now. Such one. unsuccessfully. So we can see there is a rule is admin. So there are options to delete a restaurant, add restaurant, add menu, add menu, add item in menu. So I just name this main and then add items like this, which can be, we can delete this item also. So I am no vegetarian, so I don't need this. So I just delete this. Okay, and it vanish from the menu. Also, this is not enough, so I can delete the whole restaurant or also add new restaurant by using the, and for using we can name it, then the address, is it pure veg or not, the coordinates, and for image we can use cloudinary image, and these all images you can see are from cloudinary except this one. This is on the code. So yeah, that's the demo, and the skills are we learned. That this is all about my project. Thank you. Presented by Rishinant to the website. Thank you.